Oh, hello my little honey vlogs, and welcome in to an unboxing. We're unboxing today the Build-A-Bear Advent Calendar. Now if it's your very first time here, don't forget to subscribe to see more girly, pink, light-hearted / Christmassy content, and welcome to our family of sweet honey vlogs. Well, what can I say? I am so excited to open her up. The way we're going to do this is that each day this week I will be opening up 3 doors, and then on the very last day we'll be giving a full review of the entire calendar, value for money, and showing all of the pieces together. This calendar is from Build-A-Bear, the plushie bear company, where you can custom your own bears. You can dress them up, and this calendar cost around about £40. I'll put the dollar dues below. Although, I do think this is actually on sale right now, so you could get a really good deal on this before December. So if you want to watch these videos, see if you like it, and then maybe make a purchase, the link will be in the description. Let's do this. Let's get into these doors. Well, this doesn't fit on my desk. This doesn't fit on my desk. So we're going to have to do this the very old-fashioned way. You're going to have to just look at what I can show you in photographs, and then we'll open up the doors by putting the doors in the way of the camera. So we have door number 1 over here. It's beautiful when you open up this calendar. I'll show you a really good photograph of it. But it is absolutely beautiful. I just love it. So on this side where you've got this number 1, these are nice big doors, and then on the other side, let me show you, you have all these little doors. So I'm intrigued to see what's in these little doors and if it's anything super exciting. I'm very excited to open this. I love Build-A-Bear. I have quite a lot of their frog range and their Sanrio range, so really happy to see this. Let's open up door number 1. Oh my goodness. Oh, can you see? Look at this little guy. Oh my goodness. Okay, so he's strapped in there. Okay, all right. Let's get some scissors to free him. Yes, he is free. Okay. Let's get the calendar out of the way, or put it in the background. No, out of the way. Out. Look at him! Oh my goodness! Aren't you so sweet? He has a little tag, and he has the Build-A-Bear little stamp on his foot. Now, I know the lighting's a bit odd in here, mostly because it is dark. It's dark outside pretty early in the Englands now, so yes, but oh, he's so sweet. I love him. Okay, all right. This is number 2. So let's get this one. Oh! Oh my goodness! Look. Are you also? I'm gonna bring my scissors on the board just in case. It is. It's also strapped in. So let's give that a little snippy snip. There we go. And you can see that's a little shirt for our new friend. It's got a little peppermint wheel on the front, and actually I was expecting this to be like some sort of applique or something that make it a little bit hard, but because it's printed on the fabric, it's lovely and soft, and all of the stitching and stuff is lovely and soft as well. If you are one of those people that struggles with sensory stuff, this is pretty good, I would say. Alright, let's put that to one side, and then we're going to do day number 3, which is just over here. So let's do day number 3. Oh my goodness! Oh, they have the peppermint pantsuit. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, give it a little snip. Make sure that his plastic is out. And then they've got these little trousies. Oh my goodness. Ah, look how cute that is. Okay, alright, let's put this calendar away and dress our boy up. Let's dress him up in the clothing. So we have a little bear. Should we put on his little trousers? Oh my goodness. So it's elasticated waist for the little trousies. So you can get him. Oh! Oh my gosh, look at this. It has a little. Oh my gosh, there's a little tail hole. Can you see my little pinky through that? Pop, 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 pop. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay. I am going to have to cut the tag off though, I think. Because otherwise his trousers aren't going to fit. Like it, there's his little trousies on. Look at them. And look at the bag. He's got his little tail through the hole there. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Right, and then we got to put his little shirt on. Now these are fully elasticated, I do believe, so we won't have to undo the back or anything. Like usually with Barbie dolls and stuff like that, they'll have a little Velcro in the back here. I think this is going to have to just go on the way it goes on. So, excuse me, Monsieur Bear. We're just going to... Come on! Get your head through! Come on! Do not recommend putting on clothes like this. Not out of 10. Right. We've got his head through. Now we'll put his little armsies through. There we go. And then we do this side. Go! And he's got lots of room in the back. Lots of room in the front. So he's lovely and snug in there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, he's so snuggaroony. Look at him. Isn't he lovely? I love his little jammy set. So sweet. I love the colours. So cute. So that's it. That's us on day 1 of this advent calendar. We got little Freddy Bear. Little Fred. Is it Fred Bear? FNAF noise. No, we got a cute little bear. He's so sweet. He is very mini sized. If you can, next to my Mudang mug, for example, that's how big he is. So he's kind of mug size. But he's so sweet. Isn't he cute? Yes. Okay, so we're now just waiting for our next day tomorrow, where we can open up another one of the doors. Well, another big door and another 2 small doors, hopefully. So yeah, very exciting. Thank you so much for coming today, and make sure to check in tomorrow and see how the advent calendar is doing. And we'll see you all again next time. Bye bye.